I'm here today to give you a daily update on Ankr. As you can see here, guys, you've got all-time high points coming through from here on around, obviously, April, May, March, that sort of scenario before the insane crypto crash to the downside. You can see the resistance that we are seeing from this zone. Very, very strong stuff in terms of this downward sloping resistance line. You can see the breakout scenario that we were looking for. Did we get it? Yes, we did. In terms of a potential gain that you would have made here, getting in here, you would have made around... It's going to be big, guys. It's going to be huge. Well, it was huge. It's going to be around a 27% gain there. Now, that's obviously the old TA coming through. Let's do some new stuff because we do have pretty strong reversal points coming through from there, from all-time highs as well. We could really actually be drawing in some sort of downward sloping resistance line. Now, as you can see, we are actually in the mix of a potential breakout scenario, guys. This could be meaning that we've got a symmetrical triangle here, and we are actually looking for a bigger breakout, right? A bigger breakout. When I say bigger breakout, I mean a bigger, more profitable measure move, right? As you can see, guys, that is going to be bringing us all the way up to all-time high levels there. In terms of percentages here for a price prediction here for Ankr, not looking too bad because you've already broken out, right? You've already broken out, so you could actually see in progression all the way up to this previous all-time highs at around 19 cents 55 there. Could be looking really, really quite good. You've got a really nice high low actually set there from this previous high low and this low point coming through there. So yeah, really, really quite bullish, I would say, at this time. I mean, the only thing that is bad here is these wicks, guys. These wicks coming down like so basically mean there is selling pressure to the downside here. So when you are going to see spikes up, there's basically another reason to be staggering your take profits all the way up, guys, just because you're likely to see resistance play out here. So in terms of taking profits along these zones, first take profit, it would be the top side of this wick here. If you were to be entering, if you were in already, if you are in for Ankr, then another take profit is going to be there just off the bat. I mean, this whole area is a bit of a resistance sort of a mess here. A bit of resistance sort of a mess there. So yeah, maybe I'm banging in a few more in there, as you can see there. Just make sure you're staggering take profits all the way up, guys, because you could easily see reversal here. You could easily get wrecked, which is, we're not about that. We're here to make money. We're not here to get wrecked. So yeah, as you can see, guys, another volume weighted ATR, or the volume weighted ATR band coming through here on the daily is going to be another take profit point to be looking out for, around 16 cents. 6661. Ooh. You can see on the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, guys, we do have to be honest, this does look like a bullish pennant chart pattern, but I do want to jump down to the smaller term time frame just to get a bit more of a confirmation for this. It's actually looking more of an ascending triangle now, guys, and a bullish pennant chart pattern is a symmetrical triangle at the top of an uptrend. Now you can see here we do have a nice little bit of a support coming through, as you can see multiple times there. And also to the top side, I would say we do have a lovely cheeky horizontal there. Ascending triangle at the top of an uptrend, guys, is a continuation chart pattern. So on a shorter term price prediction here, it is going to probably be around this, and that's probably going to be signifying an entry point, right? It's going to be signifying an entry point on the bigger term time frames. So yeah, you need a bit of a double breakout scenario to be actually entering here. And from there, you're probably going to be riding the price all the way up to around that 19 cents there, back to previous all-time highs. Now, if we do see those all-time highs actually get reached there, you're obviously probably going to see some resistance, guys. You're probably going to see some resistance, but that's when we're going to be taking this, and this is going to be acting as a horizontal. And then we're going to be seeing an ascending triangle instead in terms of this chart pattern coming up from there. And that's when things can get really quite exciting, really, really quite progressive, right? And as you can see here, we could be looking at big, humongous measure moves to new highs here. And this is obviously going to be in this new cycle that we are coming into in terms of the altcoins, right? They're a bit stagnant at the moment, nothing too crazy, but it still could be another 53% gain from that point there. In terms of where we are trading now, it's going to be around 106% gain there. So yeah, in terms of a price prediction, a long-term price prediction there for Ankr, it's around 30 cents there. So yeah, quite ambitious, but still very, very achievable. But yeah, that's going to be your daily update today on Ankr.